Hey guys, what's up? It's part 2 of fireworks in Las Vegas. Oh my god. We're looking. Oh, there's just one right there. Oh, there's one
make sure
right
you
there.
save this one. I think this one is gonna come up with just saying.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you have a more space?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have 86 minutes on the thing, so. Oh, a big one right there. Why is everything coming on that side?
Yeah.
Oh, look at me. A lot.
Yeah.
There's a lot on here.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot in this area, but big ones in that area.
So many. Look at it.
Oh my god.
The whole valley.
Oh my god. This is nice. Zoom in it. Zoom in it. Oh.
I don't know from the
Oh,
camera.
wow.
You want that or no? I don't know.
It's okay.
I need to zoom out. Let's get a little bit, a bit of a zoom. Well, there's like some like around the border.
You want to make sure you save those big ones
I know.
coming out. The casino.
I know the casino fireworks. They do the big one, and they're like right there.
Yeah.
Oh my god! If I lose this tape, I'll be so mad.
Okay, that's it. The big one come out. Those are small ones. It's okay.
Too far, man.
You can stop at one.
Okay, this part may be a little bit short. Maybe let's. Oh, BTW. This is what it looks from night.
Shoot with it. Shoot.
Oh my god, this is what it looks like from night. BTW guys. Oh, big one right there.
You don't zoom you don't move your camera very quickly because otherwise it really confused.
No. I know there's a lot of lights and so much blackness.
Yeah, a lot of small ones, yeah.
This.
A lot of small ones.
Yeah.
All over the place. Too.
Yeah.
This might be the first actual recording. Oh my god, okay, here we go. Oh, taping it. There is like, whoa. Is that lights? Oh, that was the lights from there. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's one. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's another one.
Small
Oh,
one.
there's another one. Are there any big ones, people? Oh, it's like they're celebrating all because they're firing all the fireworks at once. There.
It's okay.
There.
Oh, the whole valley.
Yeah, I think that's it. That's like
Right there.
I know. I'm shooting that. I'm
Yeah, need about 8
shooting that. Oh, I'm shooting that.
I clean up this.
Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Saturday.
Yeah.
Good.
I clean up this stuff. Okay? We need you.
Like they're firing up.
Hả? Tao có hả? Ngay đi à là?
Sit down there.
Focus.
Hay là?
Oh man.
Ngay thì nó chỉ được hả?
Focus out. Oh, there you go.
Clean up this stuff.
Focus. That's good, right there.
Sorry about it, but I'm like,
Alright, like everything's coming from over there. Yeah, they're all like that's it. It's like the whole valley is like firing it up. I wish we had our fireworks at home in California. Yeah. Oh, 2 right there.
you don't need this water.
I have to climb. Oh,
This water can drink tomorrow.
oh man.
Oh yeah.
You don't need to finish.
Yeah.
Can you guys stop talking? I'm trying to record.
Who did the water?
Okay. What time?
Oh, the big one coming.
Oh, what time is it?
8:44.
Oh man, we're so close to 9. Then that's where the casino comes out. Oh,
Okay, I'm cleaning up. No, stop. Then I
Oh, the guy is shooting out here. Yeah, right there. The guy is here.
where?
Yeah, the guy is here doing a couple of times now.
Where?
I saw the small one, but it didn't pop.
I'll just zoom out for now. Good.
Oh, the big one.
Where?
Oh, right here, there was.
Oh,
there.
oh my God! They're starting to fire. Las Vegas is starting to fire. Whoa! Oh, I heard a pop. I heard a pop. Oh my God, big ones are coming. Oh, somebody shot that.
Yeah.
It's like that's from a neighborhood house. Something.
Yeah, no, that's small one.
I know who's shooting the fireworks.
Yeah. Because here is illegal.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Now who's shooting the fireworks?
Oh, big one from
Oh. Not from the hotel yet. Come on. So let's take a look like that. Yeah. Man, oh, we're at the 5-minute mark.
Then we're gonna sleep early.
Oh. Yeah, I'm going back to California tomorrow morning, really early. So, yeah. A bit octoballoon song. Oh, there's one.
Yeah.
There's one again.
Yeah.
Tell me if the Las Vegas starts shooting.
Yeah, this is the other side.
Oh, it's like shooting. I'm just gonna back up and put my feet up. Yeah, if you can see my feet, yeah.
I'm not camera charger.
Okay. There we go. Sorry about my finger. Oh. Oh man. Oh, that's my. Well. Oh, one went there. Oh.
Over there, a lot of fireworks come on. You see, baby.
Oh, yeah. I don't have a tripod. Oh, we're at the 7-minute mark. Oh God, it's not good. This is part 2 already, man. What time is it?
8:47.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's one. There's so many. Oh my God, there's so many. I still need to upload the videos that I get from that I taped earlier. So, sneak peek of that was gonna happen. So, yeah. Oh my God. There's some. There's one.
That's more everywhere.
Yeah, like it had like a really Optimus. I wish I had my tripod right now. Do I have to carry this? Okay.
Residential.
Yeah, so it's like I'm gonna put on this hand.
Oh, the big one.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. It's nice. This is nice. Oh, we're at the 8-minute mark. Okay, guys. See you in part 3.